All right, this is Clap by Steve Howe from Yes, part 3. So we just ended on a chord that was like. Now we're gonna slide into this 5 on the A string. We're gonna make this C shape with the pinky down here in the bottom. So we're gonna go down to the C, the same thing. And then we're gonna do this kind of E7 with a G sharp bass up here. So first chord is 5, 4, 0, 3, 5. We're going down to 3, 2, 0, 1, 3, and then 4, 2, open, 1, open, open. So it's like an E7 like this with a G sharp up here in that 4th fret. Okay, and our strumming on this is going to be. So it's like slide into the 5 bass, and then up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. Okay, that's kind of a basic thing. Then we have a series of quick staccato chords. We're going to have. Okay, so a series of quick chords. We got A minor, then we have G, kind of doing just like the 3, muting the A, and the next 3 opens here. I have this finger down here, kind of goes around and touches that bottom string, so I can hit one of those kind of AC/DC Gs real quick. So A minor, G, A minor again. Now this G with the B bass, 2, open, open, 3. Okay, so. And then C, then F, then D, and then just the 8 and 7 up here to an E major, 7, 9, 9, 9. So A minor, G, A minor, G with the B bass, C, F, D, 8 and 7, E chord. Okay, so this whole new thing is. We're getting to this new riff. Got a little 5/7. Okay, some brilliant ragtime stuff here. So we're gonna have a 3 on the D string, and we're gonna go down to the open on the 2nd, 1st fret on the 1st string. So, and then D bass, same thing, and then. So that's 3, and then the little 1, 0. Same thing with the open to the 1, 0. So, and back to that 3. So it's. And he kind of has a palm mute going a little bit. Okay, then we're going to switch to this one, 4 in the D string with 1 and 2 down here. And this one's going to go bass, chord, and then A bass to D bass. And then this has that same type of. Okay, so we got. And that goes twice. So I'll do it real slow. Okay, now we're to a new section. We're gonna have open, E, and then the 9 on the D and the B strings. So open to 9s and then kind of quick back and forth. This is 7 twice on the 2nd string. A little E back to that 7. So we got. Here we have an A bass, the 7 on the D and an 8 on the 2nd string, the B string there. We got. We go back to the A and we have 7s on the same 2 strings. So here we have like an A chord, 7, 6, 7. We're gonna hit the A bass with that. I'm gonna do a hammer-on pull-off to that 7 on the 2nd string. Back to the 6, 7 to the little E down there. Okay, so this new part. We could just do the open 7 and 5, and we're gonna do a hammer-on pull-off to that 7 right there. then we'll put the 6 in. 6 to 7 on the D to a little E. So you can't have it there the whole time. Just kind of, you might want to move it out of the way when you're doing that one thing if it causes trouble there. So. We're gonna have big E to little 10, big E to little 9, one more E, and then we have a little 7, little partial bend on that 8, to a little E there, to an A chord. Okay, so it's back on up. We got. And then we have all those fast chords. Okay, so and we did that twice, and then we got into the new part. So that's our next riff. We got down, down, up on the A. So we got. Okay, so that's a, you hit the A, you go. So it's 3 to 4 quick on the A string, 2, 2, 2, straight up the chord there. Quick slide, 4 to 6 on the G to the little 5. Go back, 6 to 4, pull off again. So. So we have a series of chords where we slide the 1s on the D, G, and B strings into the 2s. Okay, and so it's kind of has a chick after the, and it'll be kind of different speeds and stuff, so you got to kind of listen for that. I got it all tabbed out, but you got to listen to these things a really long time to get them all. Okay, and like I say, this is like my version over doing it for so many years. I haven't really looked back to see what I have wrong. There's probably bazillions of things that are different, you know. But this is kind of maybe an easy way to get you started. Like I say, this doesn't have the hybrid picking either. This is just finger picked. Makes it a little bit easier to get going. If you learn it with finger picking, you probably transfer that to hybrid picking. Okay, so here we go. This new part we got. So that's going to be up, up, down. And then we have this killer riff. So we got little 2, and then 5, 2 on the second. So G string, 5, 4, 2, 4 in the D. So then we're going to do the same riff up here on the 5th fret. So 5, 8, 5, and then 8, 7, 5. Double pull off to the 7 on the D. We're going to have a pull off here, 7 to 5. Back to that 7 on the D. So we got. So we got da 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 D. 5 to 6 hammer, pull off over here, end up that one, then go. So 5, 7 on the A to 5 on the D. Do that twice. 7 to 8 right here, and then we're back into part A. Okay, so that's as far as we're going to go in this lesson. One more time, we got. Fast chords. Then we got that ragtime thing. Then we had the thing with the 9s. And then the A chord thing with the riff. Okay, so we're going to pick up on that for the next lesson, part 4. So thanks a lot for watching. Tabs with all these. I will put all these packaged together into one big long video here in the next week or so after I get them all done. Okay, thanks for watching. Clap. Yes, Steve Howe. Great stuff. Talk to you soon.